This is Windows 11 full of bloatwares. Tons of apps you will not use. Come with the Windows Defender. Come with 18.5 gigabytes disk usage. (145 CPU processes). (2.5 gigabytes RAM usage). Now this is the same build, but after our debloating process, 0 pre-installed apps. Both Windows Defender and updates are disabled. Less disk usage for sure. Better resources usage, CPU processes and RAM usage. Now, let's begin the optimization process. First, this is the tweaking package we will use, which will be uploaded on Project Atom Discord server. Let's start it first by opening the Start folder and applying the scripts inside it. The first script disables user account control, which I do not recommend unless you know exactly what you're doing. The second option is a shortcut to system restore, which is the most important step to back up everything before continuing. All you need to do is set a size for system restore, then create a restore point the same way I'm doing. The fourth option deletes all temporary files, while the fifth and sixth options disable Windows hibernation and reserved storage to save disk space. The last script disables the paging file, which I do not recommend for low-end devices or systems with less than 16 gigabytes of RAM. However, it does reduce disk usage and saves some space. Now, in the Tools folder, we'll install 7-zip, which is useful for extracting and compressing files. The second tool, WinUtil, is useful for debloating Windows and disabling unwanted settings. All you need to do is disable Bing Search and Start Menu Recommendations, then select the standard option above and apply the same settings I'm using. Now, for the fourth tool, shut up Windows 10, choose the same options as me, apply the changes, and then exit. In the fifth tool, WPD, start by disabling all telemetry settings. Then disable telemetry IPs and Windows updates if you wish. On the apps page, select all the apps you plan to remove and click Delete Selected. Do not choose Windows Security, as we will remove and disable it later. To fully remove Edge and prevent it from reinstalling, use the Remove Edge No Term tool in the Tweaks folder. Now, the most unrecommended step, removing Windows Security. I do not recommend doing this, but if you plan to, make sure to install an antivirus. Proceed at your own risk. Windows Security has been completely removed and disabled, as you can see. Please proceed at your own risk. I am not responsible. Now, let's look at the part you love most, Windows resource usage. As you can see, CPU process count and RAM usage are high, which we will fix. All you need to do is run the BAT script inside the Processes folder, located in the Tweaks folder, then restart your PC. Now, perform some important settings, such as disabling Enhanced Pointer Precision and applying the registry tweaks found in the Tweaks folder. For the CPU and GPU tweaks, simply run the script that matches your PC specs. Use the Intel script for Intel hardware and the AMD script for AMD hardware. For NVIDIA settings, apply Force P State 0, then drag the NVP file into Profile Inspector. After that, run the input delay script, then apply all scripts and registry tweaks in the Others folder that end with default. Now, go to the Tools folder and start with the fifth tool. Open it and delete all the devices you see. Now for MSU Utility V3, set all visible ports to MSI mode, then change their mode to high. In Unpark CPU, set the core parking index to 100, click Unpark All, and then apply the changes. In Power Explorer, disable both Processor Idle Promote Threshold and Processor Idle Demote Threshold. In the Power Plans folder, you'll find some optimized power plans. All you need to do is click on the one you like. Now, one of the most important steps, the timer resolution. Start by applying this registry, then copy the file to Program Files and create a shortcut on the desktop. Next, run PowerShell as administrator, choose All, and append the provided text to the end of the desktop shortcut. Then place it in shell:startup. Now let's see where can you find the tweaking package. Go to the hashtag tweaks channel in the Project Atom Discord server, then download it from the link provided.